There are some losses that are not covered by your homeowner policy. There are standard coverages on a homeowner policy that every insurance company offers, but there are some coverages that differ from company to company. For example, every homeowner policy is going to cover fire and lightning damage. If your house is damaged or your roof is damaged by hail, that is also covered on a standard homeowner policy. Any kind of damage from wind, if it knocks off the shingles on your roof or it takes off some of the siding, that would also be covered. Of course, there are some exceptions for weather events like flooding, and that's when the water's coming in from the outside into your house. That's not covered by a standard homeowner policy. Also, an earthquake would not be covered. You can get a separate policy to cover you in those two situations. Now in Texas, we have lots of floods. So in my opinion, every homeowner in Texas should have flood insurance. Now your insurance company doesn't have to cover like normal wear and tear on your house. For example, if you have rotten wood on the side of your house or on the eaves of your house, your insurance company is not going to repair that wood. But if a storm blows in and it rips off all the siding on your house, then your insurance company will most likely, and again, this is a claims issue because you get a claims adjuster that goes out there and they determine, was this really caused by wind or was this caused because your wood is rotting and you haven't taken care of your house? If you have termites or rodents, your insurance company doesn't have to pay to get your house exterminated. That's your responsibility. Now, if your house is damaged by smoke, or say there's an explosion because your fireplace explodes, that would be covered by your homeowner policy. But if that is caused from, say, terrorism, that is something that sometimes is not covered by a standard homeowner policy. Now, theft and vandalism is usually covered by your homeowner policy. But if your house has been vacant for a while and you haven't notified your insurance company that you're no longer living in your house, and there's a theft or there's vandalism or there's some sort of water damage, you're not going to have coverage on your homeowner policy. Because remember, your homeowner policy is assuming that you're living in the house. If you don't live in the house and it's vacant, there's a lot more risk for your insurance company to insure the property. Look at the coverages you have and just make sure that you feel comfortable with the coverages that you have. And if you have any questions about what's covered or what's not covered, call your insurance company or call your agent or give me a call and I'd be happy to answer any questions for you.